In this tutorial, I'll show you how to trim a video in HandBrake. By the end, you'll export a shorter clip from your original video using HandBrake's range controls, keeping only the section you need. First, open HandBrake. You'll see the main window with a toolbar across the top and panels for summary, video, and other settings. Next, click Open Source in the top left, then select the video you want to trim. HandBrake will load and scan the file. When it finishes, the video details appear in the main window. Now go to the range section. This is where you tell HandBrake exactly which part of the video to keep. From here, choose how you want to define the trim: seconds, frames, or chapters. Pick seconds. If you know the time codes, like start and end times in hours, minutes, and seconds. Pick frames if you need frame-accurate trimming and you know the frame numbers. Pick chapters if your source has chapters and you want to keep only specific ones. If you're unsure, seconds is the most straightforward. Once that's done, set the start and end time. Click into the start field and type the exact time where you want your clip to begin. Then click into the end field and type the exact time where you want it to stop. Use the HH:MM:SS format to avoid mistakes. Take a moment to double-check both values so you don't accidentally cut off the beginning or the end of your clip. If you selected frames or chapters, enter the correct starting and ending frame numbers or chapter numbers instead. Don't worry, this trim only affects the exported file. Your original video will remain unchanged. At this point, choose the output format. In the summary panel, set the format to what you need. MP4 is a safe choice for general compatibility, while MKV is fine if you prefer that container. You don't need to change other settings for a basic trim, unless you have a specific requirement. The goal here is simply to export the selected range. Now, click Browse next to the Save As field to choose where to save the trimmed video. In the dialog, navigate to your preferred folder, give the file a clear name, and confirm the location. To avoid overwriting, make sure the name is different from your original file. Click Save to confirm. Finally, click Start Encode at the top. HandBrake begins processing the selected range. You'll see a progress bar at the bottom showing the encode status. Wait for it to reach 100%. When it's done, HandBrake will indicate the encode is complete. Open the folder you chose earlier, and you'll find your trimmed video saved as the new file. Play it to confirm it starts and ends exactly where you set it. Your video is now successfully trimmed in HandBrake and ready to use. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.